Hi, good morning juniors. Welcome to Sri Vishnu Junior College. All of you read well. I am Ashok Kumar. I am going to handle your maths 1A and 2A classes, including IIT, JEE or MSET. Whatever the entrances you are writing, I can handle all the topics in 2A and 1A both. Now coming to the 1A, you are freshers. Once again, my heartily welcome to Sri Vishnu Junior College. First of all, I want to tell you that you need to work hard to get ranks into JEE. There is no shortcut to JEE. Only way is working hard, thinking smart. Both should be combined together. Don't think that I am smart, I will get. You will never get if you won't work hard. Even if you are not smart, if you work hard, there is chances of getting. If you want, surely you need both the things. Think smart, work hard. There is no substitution for hard work. Keep my words. Throughout your life, not only intermediate, there is no shortcut for success except hard work with smart thinking. Otherwise, you won't succeed. Now, coming to the maths 2A part or 1A part, maths 1A part. 1A paper is for 75 marks. It will be divided into 3 sections. First section contains 2-marker questions. There will be 10 2-marker questions. You have to answer all the 2 markers. Next section contains 4 markers. There will be 7 4 markers. You need to answer any 5, so there is a choice. 4 5s are 20 there. Next, coming to third section. Section C is 7 markers. You need to answer any 5 out of 7. That is also 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 20 comes to 75 as a whole. So, your paper is for 75 marks. If you work hard, I'm specifying clearly, you will definitely get 75 out of 75. 100% I am the guarantee. If you work hard, 75 is getting 75 out of 75 means 10% is not a big deal. It is as simple as you think. If you work hard, so that is most important. So work hard, think smartly, so you will get success in maths. So IPE getting 75 is a very easy task, but getting JEE mains is, on the other hand, is a very difficult task. If you won't work, you not even qualify for JEE. 100%. If you won't work hard, definitely you won't not even qualify for JEE. So, if you want to get the seats in JEE or MSET, good ranks, come on, let us work together and we will work hard, we will try to get it. Let us start. And coming to the maths 1A, now I explained question paper model, 2 marks, 4 markers, 7 markers, simple 3 sections, 75 marks, that's it. Now coming to your subject, your chapters and weightage we will discuss on today. From tomorrow we will start new chapters. First chapter in our textbook is functions. And usually its weightage is 11 marks. 2 2 markers two markers, 2 markers, 4 markers, 7 markers if we divide. From functions we get 2 markers, 1 7 marker, 1 7 marker, general with example functions. And your second chapter is mathematical induction. Mathematical induction. Presently this chapter is deleted in the last year because of COVID situation, 30% reduction means this chapter deleted. This year we don't know because they did not release the syllabus not yet. So general syllabus will be this. Confirmly it will be there in general. But COVID situation we don't know. Usually mathematical induction carries you 1 7 marker. Only 1 7 marker from mathematical induction. Next, third most important chapter for your JEE, MSET and IPE. Combined most important chapter is third chapter matrices. Matrices. This is more and more important chapter for all your entrances as well as IPE. Its weightage is 22 marks. Weightage of matrices is 22 marks. 2 markers. Its weightage is 22 marks. 2 markers, 1 4 marker, 2 7 markers, 2 7 markers. So total 2 7 is 14 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22 marks weightage. 22 marks weightage. Next, fourth chapter, addition of vectors. And matrices में most important chapter I told in this, half of the chapter has been deleted in the last year, but this year again we don't. Next, addition of vectors. Addition of vectors. Next, product of vectors. Because both are vectors. Product of vectors. So this vectors total chapter carries again 22 marks as like that of the matrices, but divided into 2 parts: addition of vectors, product of vectors. In addition of vectors, you will get 2 markers, 1 4 marker. Total 8 marks from addition of vectors. And in product of vectors, 1 2 marker, 1 7 marker. 1 7 marker. Total, this is 8, this is 7 plus 2 9. Next, 1 2 marker and 1 4 marker. So completely how many? 8 plus 11 plus 2, 13 plus 8, 21 marks. 21 marks from vectors. Next chapter, trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry will say simply or trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry, there are 4 sub-chapters. So trigonometry up to transformations will divide. Up to transformations. Trigonometry में there are sub-chapters. Trigonometric ratios, identities. Next, transformations, multiple submultiples. Like that there are sub-chapters. So trigonometry divided up to transformations and up to transformations. Trigonometric ratios, compound angles, multiple submultiples, transformations, 4 chapters. So up to transformations. This is less weightage, very less weightage for JEE. And these 2 are very important for JEE. Matrices, vectors are very important for JEE. Trigonometry, only 1 or 2 questions. You may find or may not find, depends. Sometimes they will give, sometimes they not give. There is no guarantee for this chapter in JEE. But compulsory question from matrices, compulsory question from vectors. Skip the set. Now, coming to up to transformations, there will be 1 7 marker, 1 7 marker, and 2 2 markers, 2 2 markers. Actually, there will be only 1 4 marker, but last year they changed it to 3 4 markers because of COVID situation. Remaining trigonometry chapters deleted, but this year I don't know. That's why I made it previous one. That is 2 2 markers, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 7, 13 marks. General weightage. Next, after transformation, trigonometric equation. This is completely deleted in the last year code situation. But this year we don't know, that's why we need to write down. Trigonometric equations. Trigonometric equations. Only 1 4 marker. Next, inverse trigonometry. Inverse trigonometry. Inverse trigonometry. This is also only 1 4 marker. No 2 marker, no 7 marker. 1 4 marker, not 7 markers. I'm saying 1 4 marker, writing under that. Is a mistake. So 1 4 marker from trigonometric equations, 1 4 marker from inverse trigonometry. But inverse trigonometry is again very important chapter for JEE. For IPE they deleted this two. For IPE purpose they deleted this two in the last year. But this year we don't know. Next, 8 chapters. Next, 9 chapter. Again important for IPE. 9th chapter important for IPE. Properties of triangle. Properties of triangles. 11 marks from this chapter in IPE. Properties of triangles. There is no 2 marker. 1 4 and 1 7. Properties of triangles carries you 1 4 1 7. Means 11 marks and somewhat difficult chapter. Next, 10th chapter, hyperbolic functions or hyperbolic trigonometry. Hyperbolic trigonometric functions. Hyperbolic trigonometric functions carries you hyperbolic trigonometric functions carries you only 1 2 marker. Only 1 2 marker. Easy chapter, simple chapter. One exercise you will get 1 2 marker. That's it. Next. So these are the chapters you have in your IPE. 10 chapters. So you have. This is the weightage for each and every chapter. So accordingly you need to prepare your 1A. So in these chapters, 10 chapters, they deleted these two and mathematical reduction, 3 chapters. 30% they deleted, means out of 10, 3 chapters deleted in the last year. Keep it aside. That too, these are very, very small chapters, 1 4 marker, 1 4 marker chapters they deleted. And mathematical reduction 1 7 marker, that's it. Remaining everything is there. So, and for entrances, JEE or your MSET, there is no exclusion. You have to study all the chapters and all the topics. Even in the COVID situation, they did not give any relaxation or resumption in syllabus for any entrance. Only for IPE, they gave you 30% relaxation in the last year. That too, no exams in the last year. But this year, there will be exams. And as you did not write your 10th class exams, you don't know how to attack the public exams. So this will be the first time you are going to write the first public exams. So be prepared from the beginning itself. Don't take tension. So start from the beginning. It will be very smooth going, and you choose the right institution for your future. All the best. Best of luck, or all the best, whatever maybe you want to take, you take it. But I want you to work hard. This is compulsory. Then only you can get the success in our life. Not only for intermediate. I am not talking about intermediate. Success in life. If you work hard now for this, not I am saying intermediate 2 years. For these 6 years, 2 years intermediate, 4 years engineering, if you work hard, you don't know how smooth your life will be after these 6 years. If you won't work for these 6 years, then you have to work for the next 60 years. Simple logic. If you want to avoid work, just work for 6 years, then life will go smoothly for the next 60 years. So this 6 years is very crucial for your life. And among the 6 years, these 2 years means intermediate is the stepping stone. If you won't climb these 2 steps intermediate properly, then you can't achieve the engineering. Automatically life will be struggling throughout the life. So these 2 years are very, very, very crucial in our life. Work hard, achieve your goals, plan the goals, work towards the goals. Plan the goals and work towards the goals. Just planning is not important, and you have to work towards achieving the goals. Continuously you have to monitor your work. Continuously you have to monitor your work. Don't plan for 1 day and work for 2 days, then leave it, keep it aside, is not the proper way. You have to monitor throughout how much you have completed, how much you have to complete. So take care everything. Take care about health also, because nowadays situation is not good. So take care about the health also. Health effects again 2-3 months will go off. So that's why take care about the health also. All the best for your future. Bye for now. Now we will meet in the next class with the new chapter.